When it comes to your home's windows, proper installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing one, choosing professional window installation in Miami Beach is a smart investment that can enhance your home's comfort, security, and efficiency. Miami Beach's unique climate, with its high humidity, salt air, and occasional storms, makes expert window installation a must for homeowners who want to ensure their windows perform optimally for years to come. In this article, we'll explore the key reasons why professional window installation in Miami Beach is essential for achieving long-lasting results, from improved energy efficiency to enhanced home security. Ensuring proper sealing and fit. One of the most critical aspects of window installation is ensuring that your windows are properly sealed and fit correctly within their frames. A window that is not installed properly, even if it's a high-quality product, can result in air leaks, water infiltration, and a host of other issues that can compromise your home's integrity. Expert sealing. Professional installers have the experience and knowledge to properly seal your windows. This helps prevent drafts, moisture, and heat from entering or escaping your home. In Miami Beach, where temperatures can fluctuate and humidity is high, improper window sealing can lead to significant energy loss, creating a less comfortable living space and driving up utility costs. Perfect fit. When windows are installed by professionals, they are carefully measured and installed to fit precisely in the window openings. This precision is important to ensure the longevity and performance of your windows. A window that doesn't fit properly can lead to issues like water damage, mold growth, and decreased energy efficiency. Enhancing energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the top reasons homeowners in Miami Beach invest in window installation. Older or improperly installed windows can be one of the leading causes of energy loss in your home. By choosing professional installation, you can ensure your new windows perform at their best. Reduced energy bills. Energy-efficient windows, such as those with low E coatings or double or triple glazing, can help keep your home cooler during the hot, humid summer months and warmer in the winter. Proper installation ensures that these energy-saving features work as intended, preventing air leaks and improving your home's insulation. Regulating indoor temperature. The high humidity and frequent storms in Miami Beach can lead to temperature fluctuations inside your home. With professional window installation, you can create a more stable indoor environment by minimizing the risk of drafts and keeping your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Improving home security. Windows are a vulnerable point in any home, and installing high-quality, secure windows with professional installation is one of the best ways to improve your home's security. Stronger, safer windows. Professional installers can help you choose windows with enhanced security features, such as multi-point locks, impact-resistant glass, and reinforced frames. These features make it much harder for intruders to break into your home, offering you peace of mind knowing your windows are not an easy target. Proper installation for maximum security. Even the best security features won't be effective if your windows aren't properly installed. Professional window installation ensures that your locks, frames, and glass are all securely in place, providing maximum protection for your home and family. Long-term durability. Miami Beach's coastal climate is tough on building materials. The salt air, humidity, and occasional storms can cause damage to windows that are not installed correctly. Professional installation helps ensure that your windows are able to withstand these environmental factors and last for many years. Weather resistance. Miami Beach homes are exposed to extreme weather conditions, including high winds and heavy rains. Professionals will install windows that are specifically designed to withstand these challenges. Additionally, expert installation ensures that windows are properly anchored, sealed, and reinforced to handle the unique demands of the local environment. Avoiding future repairs. Poorly installed windows can lead to issues down the road, such as leaks, mold growth, or even structural damage. By investing in professional installation, you help protect your windows from these common problems and increase their lifespan. Enhancing aesthetic appeal. Windows play a significant role in your home's overall aesthetic appeal. Whether you're renovating your home or building from scratch, professional installation ensures that your windows are not only functional but also visually appealing. Curb appeal. Well-installed windows enhance your home's curb appeal, giving it a clean, polished look that increases its overall value. Professional installers understand how to make sure that your windows are aligned and properly positioned to achieve the best visual effect. Customization. If you're looking for custom window designs to suit your style, professional installers can offer guidance on selecting the best materials, sizes, and styles that will complement your home's architecture. Whether you choose casement, double-hung, or sliding windows, expert installation ensures the final product is both beautiful and functional. Compliance with local codes and regulations. Miami Beach has specific building codes and regulations designed to ensure that homes are safe, sustainable, and able to withstand the unique challenges of the area. Professional window installers are familiar with these codes and will ensure that your windows meet all necessary requirements. Building codes. Installing windows that meet Miami Beach's local building codes is critical for safety and insurance purposes. Professional installers will ensure your windows meet these regulations, helping you avoid fines or delays in getting your home's permits and approvals. Conclusion. Professional window installation in Miami Beach offers a multitude of benefits for homeowners looking to enhance their home's comfort, security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. With the right installation, your windows will function optimally, stand up to the challenges of Miami Beach's unique climate, and improve the overall value of your property. By trusting a professional installer, you ensure that your windows are correctly sealed, properly aligned, and equipped with the best security and energy-efficient features. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, professional installation is a smart investment that will pay off in comfort, protection, and savings.